Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that every traveler, novice or seasoned, can benefit from. The top 10 travel mistakes you should avoid, whether you're embarking on your first journey or your 100th. Let's make sure you have a smooth and unforgettable adventure by sidestepping these common pitfalls. Let's dive in. 1. Overpacking. We've all been there, trying to zip up an overstuffed suitcase. Packing light is an art. Stick to essentials, versatile clothing. And remember, you can always do laundry. You do not have to carry excess baggage to make a great travel. This can save you from spending money on excess luggage fees at the airports. 2. Not researching your destination. Not knowing about local customs, transportation, language, food, lifestyle, or even weather can lead to unpleasant surprises. It is important to do a proper research about the destinations so you could know the suitable outfits, places to visit, and lots more. So do your homework to blend in and make the most of your experience. 3. Over-planning every minute. While planning is important, don't turn your vacation into a tight schedule. Using a priority list, set the places you want visit and give yourself proper rest, breaks after an outing. Leave room for spontaneity and chance to discover hidden gems. 4. Ignoring travel insurance. Skipping travel insurance is a big no. From unexpected medical expenses to trip cancellations, lost baggage, car rentals charges, having travel insurance provides peace of mind, saves you stress, and makes the travel or holiday a lot more better. 5. Not notifying your bank. Imagine your card getting blocked while abroad. Yes, it's hugely important for customers to inform their bank of their travel plans in advance. This helps to protect against fraudulent activity and ensures that you have access to your funds while you're away. Be aware of any limits on the amount of money that can be withdrawn or spent while you're abroad. Notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid financial hiccups. 6. Not backing up important documents. Losing your passport or important documents can be a nightmare. Take photos or make copies and store them separately from the originals. His way, if the original documents are lost or stolen, you still have access to them and reduces your chances of being stranded at your destination. 7. Not trying local food. Food is a huge part of travel, and sticking to familiar cuisines means missing out on cultural experiences. Step out of your comfort zone and savor local delicacies. In most cases, trying to get your own native meals would be quite much more expensive than local food, and this would save you more money. 8. Not relying on technology. While away from your hometown, it is important to use technology and its applications. Using the Google Map helps you navigate around the city as fast as possible and seamlessly. Using Uber Eats and other related apps help you have a stress-free travel. 9. Not engaging with locals. Interacting with locals can enrich your journey. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations and ask for recommendations, as they know the way around in their town and are usually happy to show you around. Locals know best. 10. Not taking time to relax. Trying to check off every attraction can be exhausting. Remember, it's a vacation, not a race. Take time to relax and soak in the ambiance. Conclusion. There you have it. 10 common travel mistakes to avoid on your next adventure. Learning from these blunders will help you have a smoother, more enjoyable journey. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel advice and inspiration. Safe travels, wanderers.